Welcome to the My Car Voice YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest news and updates on automotive issues. Today, we're diving into a recent class action lawsuit filed against Ford regarding excessive oil consumption in their 2018 to 2020 F-150 vehicles equipped with the 5-liter Coyote engine. If you own one of these trucks or are considering buying one, this video is a must-watch. So, are you a Ford F-150 owner with the 5-liter Coyote engine and experiencing excessive oil consumption? Well, you're not alone. A class action lawsuit has been filed against Ford on behalf of owners and lessees of 2018 to 2020 Ford F-150 vehicles. The plaintiffs allege that these engines have a manufacturing defect that leads to excessive oil consumption, eventually resulting in engine failure. So what exactly is the problem? Well, according to the lawsuit and the law firms involved, these F-150 models may burn through engine oil at a faster rate than normal, and requiring owners to replenish the oil more frequently. This defect can also lead to increased emissions and reduced fuel efficiency. Some owners who complained about engine oil consumption were allegedly denied warranty coverage for repairs by Ford dealerships. But why are these vehicles consuming so much engine oil? Well, according to the lawsuit, the 2018 to 2020 F-150 Coyote engines allow engine oil to pass by the piston rings and into the combustion chambers, where it then gets burned off during the combustion cycle. This process then reduces the amount of engine oil available in the engine oil pan. The lawsuit also alleges that an inadequate positive crankshaft ventilation system compounds the oil consumption issues. However, Ford did issue a technical service bulletin, TSB 19-2365, in December 2019 to address the issue. This TSB attributed the excessive oil consumption to a high-intake manifold vacuum during deceleration fuel shut-off. Ford's proposed correction included reprogramming the powertrain control module and installing a new, longer engine oil level indicator dipstick. However, the lawsuit claims that Ford's changes to the oil level dipstick only mask the problem rather than fixing it. Owners of these affected F-150s now face the challenge of constantly checking and filling their engine's oil, more frequently than even Ford's recommendations in the owner's manual. Some mechanics may even suggest overfilling the oil pan as a quick fix, but this can lead to further issues including aeration of the oil and damage to engine components. Unfortunately, even if owners maintain the proper oil level, oil can still pass by the piston rings and into the combustion chambers. This can result in damage to the combustion and exhaust systems, reducing their efficiency over time. So that wraps up our overview of the class action lawsuit against Ford for excessive oil consumption in their 2018 to 2020 F-150 trucks. If you own one of these vehicles, it's essential to stay informed about developments in this case. To stay updated on the latest developments in this lawsuit, please visit the link in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to like and also subscribe to this channel for more helpful automotive videos just like this one. And be sure to check out mycarvoice.com for more automotive news, articles, and a complimentary car defect evaluation service. And if you are in the market for a new or used car, be sure to use our free vehicle reliability reports tool to help you find a dependable vehicle.